Hello friends, day 54 and the end of the Pennine Way. What a fabulous trail that is. If you haven't done it and you're able to, I recommend it. It's absolutely amazing. The views are brilliant. And the Cheviots at the northern end are particularly stunning and quite deceptive. Today, even though I only did 7 and a bit miles, I still climbed the equivalent of Ben Nevis. Amazing, and yeah, absolutely brilliant. You've got to check it out. So the end of the Pennine Way and all the lovely people I met during my trip up the Pennine Way, thanks to you, Brendan, John, aka Carrier Bag Man, Harry, the Bristol 4, Caroline, all of you. It's been great to meet you, and of course all the D of E students I've met as well. Great to meet you all, and good luck with your journeys onward. The wind was something else today. I reckon about 50 to 60 miles an hour, and for the first time in over 900 miles I lost my hat. I had to jump over a barbed wire fence to go and retrieve it before it disappeared forever. But yeah, it was difficult to stand up in the wind, and if you let your trekking poles hang from your wrists, they went virtually horizontal. Unbelievable. So I'm in Scotland for a while now. I've done about 900 miles of my walk, but that still means I've got nearly 500 to go to get to John O'Groats. Scotland's a big country, and then of course another 500 to get back down to the border again. I'm looking forward to it. I start tomorrow on St Cuthbert's Way, and from there on up into the Highlands. In the meantime, see you on the trail. The tradition is that once you've finished the Pennine Way, you touch the wall on the Borders Hotel, and they give you a free half pint. This is where I'm staying tonight, at the Plough Hotel in town Yetholm.